as per the pandemic precautions we have followed. So myself, Pandian, and the subject Amul Mali is a normal, myself also normal. We have followed the pandemic precautions and we are removing the mask. So today our practical clinical examination of taste and smell. So for this, first I will go with taste. Okay. Whenever you are talking about taste, remember one thing, make the subject or the patient blindfold. That is, first thing you have to remember it. They should not see the particular markings. Okay. That is what taste. Even smell, again you can go with blindfold. So both we are following blindfold. For taste, one more hint is there, labeling. If the label is numeric, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means what? There is a container, you can see. I am not marked sweet, sour, bitter or salt. I am marked as per my convenient, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this, there is no need of blindfold. When blindfold required? If you label the taste, the primary taste, that is, as I said, sweet, salt, sour and bitter. If you are not marking it, you are marking in this way, there is no need of blindfold. Remember this. Okay sir, how I will remember this 1, 2, 3 is there in the laboratory. They mark like this. They will be give you the cardboard where they have labeled it. 1 means what, 2 means what, 3 means what, 4 means what. That is only the examiner should know. You should not keep that in front of the subject. Subject will see that what is one sweet. They see and they will report. Don't do that mistake. That is what I am saying. Better go with blindfold. Because we are in a hurry, we will do the particular procedure. The patient or subject will be seeing in the label. So for example, now you can see subject is sitting opposite, he can't able to see the board. I am going to label now only. So one is, I am not going to voice over it, you just read it off yourself. This is this. Okay, and this is this, and this is this, and the final one is this. I hope you can able to see this. Now, each container have a solution. Okay, I am going to apply on the tongue, and we will see how the subject is responding. So herewith we will start. I hope you can see the labels 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will start with number 1. Okay, tongue, open the tongue. Gourd. He is saying gourd. Gourd means sweet. Okay. When I am going to pick the second one, tell the subject to rinse the mouth. That is the procedure. Understood? Open. Ambud. He is saying ambud. Ambud means salt. Tell the subject to rinse the mouth. You just check, cross check it. Karan. He is saying karan means salt. Tell the subject to rinse the mouth. Kadu. Kadu. He is saying that bitter. So this is the way you have to examine. Students in a hurry, they will do everything fast. Don't do that. That is wrong. What I want to tell, first I applied the sample. I am going to give the water. He will rinse it and we have to apply second one. Understood? When I am going to the third one, again he have to rinse the mouth. Okay, this is the actual procedure. Understood? This is taste procedure. Now taste procedure is over. Now I move on to smell. So when you talking about smell, again you can go with labeling 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, whether the person is knowing the object what we kept in the container, to prevent to see that, for example, I am going to keep the garlic, I am going to keep that hing, I am going to keep the clove. He can see and he can say no. We don't want that error. So complete blindfold. He should not open his eye at all. But we know that what is in it. So now the online, so you don't know what is in it. So now I am going to label it. First one is I am going to perceive myself. I am going to label because it is online. So number 1, I am not going to voice over it. You just see the board. Okay. Second one is okay, but I don't want to reveal this. Blindfold kara band kara door. So third one, the fourth one, it is hing. Okay, so we'll start with it. But here one trick is there. What is the trick? We are not going to perceive both nostrils. I am going to tell the subject close the one nostril, either left or right accordingly. Okay. For example, you observe me. I am going to close my left nostril. I am going to tell the subject smell it. You will smell. So you write the report. Left nostril is what? Next you can use the same or you can choose another smell also for left nostril. But don't forget, eye should be closed manner. Once you have done the right, left and last is both nostrils should be open for the third perseverance of the smell. So we will start. Yes. So now you see, I will reveal you guys. You can't able to see this. What is this? Nose. See? If the person cannot able to see, once they perceive, tell the subject to lift the arm like this. Dada असं सांगायचं. तुम्हाला माहिती झालं तर असं सांगा. Ready करू? Sorry, we will start. Yes, report us. He is saying the answer. You just cross check the board. Okay. Next is दादा ए बंद करा था. Okay. Empty. He is saying empty. It is not perceived any smell. दादा आता both बंद open करा. See the number. Yes. Kapur. He is saying Kapur in Marathi. It is camphor. So again you can go with that left, right nostril closed and both nostril open. I am going to make them both nostril open and perceive error. Yes. Hing. I am going to confirm this. Yes, I confirm this is hing. So just give a proper time to the subject. You have to open carefully. First you perceive what smell it is, then you go with subject. Or give a subject what is reporting, you can confirm it. This is the one option. Second is what? Either right, left and both. Don't forget this also. Okay? Remember, blindfold is important for both, but taste. We are using numerical, but don't reveal the particular what kind of source you have kept in the container. Smell. Compulsory the person should be blindfold. That is, you keep it in your mind. Okay? And here also there is a label container with the numerical number 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? You can confirm it. Or you can write it in the cardboard. You can keep it in the table. This is how the clinical examination of taste and smell is done. Okay, so herewith we complete the particular practical session and we have to tell the subject that open kara. Thank you so much all of you, even that subject also. So we will see in the next lecture.